So I want you to quickly experience how to make the illusion, how to trick your mind. And first I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller. Okay? So without drawing anything, I want you to draw a closed shape. Okay? You can be a like triangular shape, it can be a circle, okay, it can be whatever weird shape. Okay? That's your start of the drawing. Okay? You can say you can draw something like this. You can draw some irregular shape like this, as long as it's closed. Hey, you can even draw the unclosed, doesn't really matter. As long as it's got that shape out, that's it. This is your first practice. You just draw with the flow. Okay? You get semi-closed or not closed, doesn't really matter. Okay? This is not enough to trick your mind, but just bear with me. You can add eyes to anything to trick your mind. Okay? As long as you add a tiny little bit to the shape that you draw, instantly it becomes more cute. Okay? As simple as that. And then you can draw the mouse. Then that's it. Okay? You can start your manga career. Okay? And then based a little bit of a composition, right? You draw any shape, right? Triangular shape in this shape. You draw an eye, right? You draw a mouse. You add the bubble. You get the text in here. You can start your webtoon. Okay? Do start it right now rather than say, hey, I need to become a certain level of artist in order to publish. A lot of artists, especially, if you look at, say, Shonen Jump or some, Japanese artists, like they got a really long like time frame of updating the manga series. If you look at the first series of the manga and you look at the last series manga, they sort of greatly improve their way of drawing. Some of the manga can start with like no or nearly like amateur level of drawing, and then as long as they got idea across and continuously get idea across and experiments with the plots, with the technique and all that, they can continue to improve. Okay, I want to start here, and we're going to add a tiny little bit of modification, of a tiny little bit of detail, and we can make things very interesting. And you know what? We already start to trick your mind as well as the viewer's mind. Okay, let's continue.